Automation was supposed to save us time, but for most small business owners, it feels like you're juggling even more tools than ever before. You have Zapier, Make, Pipedream, N8N, and the list goes on. Broken workflows, confusing dashboards, and endless integrations. What if automation wasn't another job you had to manage, but something that just worked? That's exactly what Wrk delivers, and today I'll show you how. My name is Doc Williams, an AI and automation expert, and I've tested over 200 automation and no-code platforms. Now, there's a lot of flashy demos, but a lot of these platforms are kind of half-baked. Small businesses don't need hype. They need simple, reliable automation that saves hours without the headache. That's why Wrk caught my attention. They even put together a no-hype guide to easy automation. It's practical and clear and actually useful. That's what we're going to go through. There's going to be a link down below to get started and read over this. And throughout this video, I'm going to show you the 4 steps to save you time and make more money with automation. Let's start with the first point to understand why automation feels complicated. Here's what the Wrk's guide gets right. There are too many tools. No platform is really built for small businesses. You're running a business. You don't have time to be in the weeds of all of your workflow and automations. Then there are no-code apps that aren't actually simple. And even worse, there are demos that collapse in real life. Wrk flips this with their simplification framework. That is, don't automate tasks, streamline outcomes. Do less, but do it completely. And keep humans in the loop where it matters. In the comment section down below, what are you working on in your business? Now that brings us to point number 2. Let's be real. AI isn't magic. Some tools oversell it like it's going to replace your entire business, but that's not the case. You're going to use it like anything else, like a tool. You're using automation, AI is going to be the same way. Now, where does AI help? Well, it helps with pattern recognition, sorting, and categorizing items. But where does it fail? Well, that includes judgment, relationships, and accountability. Wrk blends AI with automation, and it keeps human oversight in the loop. That's why their workflows actually stick. Now, this might sound great to you, but you might be asking, well, where are the case studies? Where does it actually work? Well, there are several different case studies found in the guide down below. Now, Wrk delivers in real life. Let's talk about real use cases. And the first one would be invoice processing. Now, if you're using Wrk, you can save more than 30 hours a month with one client. Now, this is found right here in case study number 1, where we see turning invoices into payments without the paper trail. Now, this example talks about a mid-size food distributor was drowning in paperwork. Vendors were emailing invoices, attachments, but nothing was standardized. And there were some PDFs and scanned images. That sounds like a nightmare. But does that sound like your business right now? Now, what changed? Well, we can see that when Wrk was involved, the whole system changed. Instead of all the different images and PDFs, there was a streamlined process extracting the invoice data using OCR, matched the entries to purchase orders, and logged everything in the accounting software. So what happened with their business? What were they able to accomplish? It mentions that they saved about 30 hours per month doing this. And the error rate, practically 0. If you've been dealing with invoices, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, I want to highlight case number 3, enriching leads without interns. Now, if you have had a CRM or a customer relationship management system, you can feel this. If you've dealt with using HubSpot or you're using something else, maybe you're trying to keep track of all of your leads, the customers, what have you. Here we see that a small startup needed to clean up their CRM. Half the leads had missing info, no emails, titles, so they didn't know what to do. They used the Wrk platform and they scanned existing records, pulled missing fields from external data providers like LinkedIn, validated the information against the website, and populated the CRM without a single cold email or spreadsheet export. If you need help with your CRM, let me know in the comment section down below. Now, again, if you get the guide, the link is down below. You can see all of these different real use cases found for small businesses just like yourself. Now, reviewing these real life use cases, these aren't patchwork fixes. They're end-to-end workflows. Which brings us to point number 4, unique approaches. Here's what makes Wrk different. They're not just a platform, they're your automation partner. They design, build, and run workflows for you. No dashboards, no endless setup, just results. And pricing, they have a model where you pay as you go using work actions. Transparent, flexible, and scales with your business. Automation doesn't have to be overwhelming. Work helps you to automate what hurts first, and you can finally reclaim your time. In the comment section down below, let me know what you're struggling with, and check out the link in the description or the comment to get the guide today. And if this resonates with you and you feel this is my business I've been talking about, make sure you book a call with Wrk and start saving hours each week. Automation shouldn't feel like another job. With Wrk, it finally doesn't. If you like these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week.